Hello there, Mr. Boom here and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video I'm gonna analyze the market technically and fundamentally both sides for the next week, that means for next Monday to Friday. Okay, and as per our trading style or as per our analysis style, we need to find out market direction first with higher time frame, then we will find out proper entry into lower time frame. Okay, so let's get back into daily time frame or weekly first, then we will find out a proper entry in H4 or H1 time frame. Okay, as per you can see there is weekly time frame selected, and as per the weekly time frame, market is on a strong bullish trend, and as you can see there, last 4 weeks candle closed with bullish. And if I especially want to see the daily trend movement or daily candle movement, as you can see there was a resistance area as per the daily time frame, and there was a trend line, and as per you can see there is a lot of geopolitical issues. That's why gold is flying day by day, or gold is flying more. In that case, gold fly indicates United States dollar losing its strength. Okay, so when United States dollar got in weaker point or getting weaker day by day, that means gold will fly more day by day. Okay, and in daily time frame, draw a triangle over here that can be like that. Okay, that was our previous resistance zone but support zone for now. And if I want to draw a trend line over here, maybe like that in daily time frame, as you can see there was a pattern. Okay, buy sell, and in the meantime there was a breakout confirmation to go buy. Basically we always see a pullback after breakout, but in that case dollar getting lots weaker, that's why there is no more pullback, it just fly away. Okay, so let's get back into our H4 time frame to find out the market path or direction, or how we can take buy or sell entry. As per you can see there is a long range from that area or our latest support zone of our resistance zone. Okay, and if I want to go in H1 time frame, we may find out a proper direction or proper path. So let's zoom out a little bit more, and if I want to draw a resistance, or if I want to find out resistance or support zone around that particular area, as you can see there, this one is our current resistance area. As you can see there 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time, and 4th time market touched that area and respected that area, and there was a fake breakout. Okay, and if I want to draw the trend line like support trend line, that one, now what you can see there is a triangle channel. Okay, triangle channel, bullish triangle channel. Okay, and we have to wait till that particular area, in that area market will go up, either it will give us a bearish breakout. So we have to wait till that particular area. If it go up, then we can take buy entry after breakout like that. Like if it go up, then we will wait for pullback, then we can take buy entry around that particular area. Okay, with SL, with proper SL. Where should be our SL? Our SL will be below this resistance area. Okay, and if it give us a bearish pullback or bearish breakout, then if it break out, then we can wait for pullback for that particular area. Okay, then we will sell around there, and we will set our SL above the particular area or above the trend line, and we will take our long TP or long profit from that. And we basically trade 1:3 risk reward ratio. So if your SL is 50 pips, your TP will be 150 pips. Okay, this is the simplest theory. And if I want to go more smaller time frame, or want to see more smaller time frame or candle confirmation, as you can see there, same thing in M13 time frame. We have to wait. Now we have to wait for bearish breakout or bullish breakout. Okay, as per I said before, you need to follow those technique step by step. Okay, and somebody are giving signal blah blah blah, we don't know what is going to happen in the particular market. Okay, we don't know what is going to happen after Monday, or what geopolitical issues coming tomorrow. So we have to wait till market open, then we will see the market movement and geopolitical issues and fundamental news also, then we can decide the market movement. Okay, let's see the news movement, or what is news saying, or what kind of news coming in upcoming weeks. Okay, as per the forexfactory.com, you may go forexfactory.com. As you can see, there is address. You may go this website and you have to select filter for gold news. Okay, you have to select filter over here from here, and you just click non currency. Okay, you just select, you have to select currency, and in that particular area you will select red, orange and bank holiday. So that is low impact news, so we don't need that. And bank holiday, if there is USD bank or other bank holiday, so you can avoid that easily, or that pair will be neutral on that particular day, so we can avoid, or we can keep that in our mind easily. So if I click on apply filter, there we will see only gold, that means only USD news. USD is connected with gold, so we have to follow only USD news mostly. Okay, in Monday, that means tomorrow, we have one news, that is here manufacturing index, and there's Tuesday we have two news, and Wednesday we don't have any news over here, and in Thursday there is a lot of news, and Friday there is no news. Okay, so I already made a lot of video about fundamental analysis, so you may see that, or you may follow them, how fundamental news works. And there is also few things to follow. You may see, you can see there is what is stories or news, that means they all are financial news. Okay, Fed governor and independent Fed watch, that means this is related to Fed, that means Federal Reserve Bank of USD. Okay, so you may follow them to gain or to get fundamental news or fundamental issues. So after a news come, we can decide the market movement. We can if the market goes opposite, we can take safe exit easily. So we are sharing a lot of things into our Telegram and YouTube channel also. So if you are new into our YouTube channel, please subscribe to get a lot of video like that. And we are sharing daily a lot of things, that means fundamental news, technical analysis and many more. So if you are not joined it, so please join our public Telegram channel. So that's for now. Mr. Bung signing out.